Given these numbers that we can find in this frequency table, we're going to calculate the mean. So first we have to know how to read this frequency table. This means that the number 0 occurs with the frequency 2. So we have two zeros. Two zeros. Then the number 1 occurs 2 times. Sorry. 1, 1. The number 2 occurred 4 times. The number 3 occurred 2 times. The number 4 occurs 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's continue down here. Number 5 occur 2 times. The number 6 occur 3 times. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 numbers. We don't have to do this to find out how many numbers, because we can read in this row and see the frequency. Here we have 2 zeros, 2 1s, 4 2s, etc. So we can just add this number. Add these numbers 2 and 2 and 4 and 2 and 5 and 2 and 3, and we'll get 20. Now when we calculate the mean, we could write the numbers like this, and let's see, I could just erase the comma signs and just write 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, etc. Just add these numbers. But now we have 20 numbers. Instead of doing this when we have a frequency table, there's an easier way to do this. So instead of writing 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1, because we have 2 zeros and 2 1s, instead of writing 0 plus 0, we can write 2 times 0, because we have 2 zeros, plus 2 times the number 1, which is this one. The next one is 4 times the number 2. Then we have 2 times the number 3 plus 5 times the number 4 plus 2 times the number 5 plus 3 times the number 6. This is the same thing as saying 0 plus 0. 2 times 1, we have 1 plus 1, or 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, etc. So instead of writing this, we write 4 times 2. Instead of writing 1 plus 1, we write 2 times 1, etc. Okay, so let's continue here and find out what this is. This is 0, 2, let's write it out, 0 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 20, 2 times 5 plus 10, 3 times 6, 18. This is 10, 16, 36, 46, 56, 64. So if we add these numbers together, we come up with the sum 64. Now we have to divide. In order to find the mean, we have to divide this sum by the number of numbers. So here we have two numbers, four numbers, two numbers, etc. So we just add these numbers in this row. 2 plus 2, 4, 8, 10, 15, 17, 20 numbers. So the mean is 64 over 20. But we're not going to stop here. We have to simplify this, or to find a number. Maybe it's going to be a decimal number, or maybe we can simplify it. Let's find out. What can we do to simplify this? Well, they are both even, so we can divide by 2. We can divide this one by 2 and this one by 2. Here we will have 32 and then 10. Both are even, so let's divide by 2 again. 16 over 5. Now, there's no 5 in 16, so we have to stop here. So this is going to be a decimal number. So I'm just going to erase this frequency table up here. So erase this. So 16 over 5. How many 5 goes into 1? 0. How many 5 goes into 16? 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. Now we're finished here. So we have to write the decimal point, the comma sign. We add a 0. How many 5 goes into 10? 2. Minus 10, 0. So the answer is 3.2, which is the mean.